Hello there. Welcome to Marketing Management Info. In this video, we want to look at a question from the question paper of November 2024. We are going to look at question one on that question paper that is on the multiple choice section. So moving on to our section, we have our question one, which reads various options are given as possible answers to the following questions. Choose the answer and write only the letter A to D next to the question number. So you're given question 1.1 to question 1.5. So for the first question, it reads, this type of research is usually carried out to get more information concerning certain variables like problems and opportunities. So we are given different responses there. We have what descriptive research, casual research, etc. According to the responses that we have, the correct is the correct response. So exploratory research, basically it is the preliminary research to clarify the exact nature of the problem to be solved. And also you see that it is used to ensure additional research to ensure that additional research is taken into consideration during an experiment, as well as determining research priorities. So basically, this is the description that we have in terms of exploratory research that makes it the correct response that we have for the first question. So moving on to the second question, it is during this step, the nature of the product as well as the nature of the market are to be segmented broadly and described. So we are given different responses, so we can as well go through the responses given. But you'd see that the correct response that we have there is A, whereby it entails identify and describe the market. And the question is saying during it to be segmented response. So moving on to the next question, 1.3, which one of the following is an individual determinant of consumer behavior? So basically, a consumer behavior, it encompasses how the consumers' emotions, consumers' attitudes, and also consumers' preferences affect buying behavior. So also it entails motivation. So you'd see that we have B, which is the correct response according to our responses. So we have B, which becomes the individual determinant. So basically, we have other individual determinants also that we have to take into consideration. Knowledge is an individual determinant. We've got beliefs as an individual determinant. We can talk about attitudes, emotions, skills, part of individual determinants. So that also affect consumer behavior. So this is what we have 1.3. 1.4, the dash determines the provision of capital, operation management. So we'll see that the correct response that we have there is financial management. So on financial management, we are saying it refers to the management of a company's finances, including all money coming into the business and all going out of the business. So basically, this also is a part of provision of capital. Remember, capital is described as a money that is being introduced by the owners of the business into the business. So basically, it's their resources coming in the business. So in the form of money, it will be now financial management. So we have a D as the correct response. So moving on to our 1.5, standardization refers to. So you see that standardization is the process of making something conform to a standard. So they're making something aligned to a standard is standardization, or to bring it into conformity with the standard, especially in order to assure consistency and regularity. So if you have a motive to ensure that there is consistency and regularity is a part of standardization. So according to our responses, again, you can try to go through everything so that you can pick up the correct answer. But according to the response given, you will see that we have C, organizations in a specific industry that accept certain dimensions and norms that must be applied to all the products in that industry. So you will see that the norms becomes the part of the standards that you have to conform to. So we have C as the correct response. So this becomes the last question on our question one, and our question of 10 marks. So thank you for listening, and hopefully the video was helpful. And please, let's not forget to subscribe and share to our channel. And let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing marketing management info. Let's meet again in the next video. Remember, multiple examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned.